Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name's Emily and today you are joining us back on another day of the Advent Calendar. Today's is a lip colour and this is the colour, so this is the look I chose to pair with it. It's nice and smoky, really actually quite simple, and yeah, this is a soft matte metallic lip cream in the shade Nantes, maybe, I think. So yeah, this is the look that I created. I'm basically going through the calendar, if you're new here, going through the calendar every single day, creating a new look using every product that's in the calendar every single day this month. So that's going to be exciting. And also, if you are new to my channel and you didn't already know, you don't follow me on Instagram, today as you are seeing this and as I'm uploading this, as I'm filming it, my collection, my Christmas collection, comes out with EROSEGLITZ. So I've designed an entire Christmas collection with a highlight and 5 eyeshadows. So that will be on sale today and you can use my code if you want. I'll have it on the screen to get a discount. But yeah, go and follow my Instagram. There is more information over there. And yeah, without further ado, let's get on with the video and hopefully you can go and have a look at my collection if you are interested, because I worked really hard on it. I'm really proud of it. And I think you'll really like the colours. So let's get on with the tutorial. Okay, so as you can tell, my face has decided to get into the festive spirit and give me a nice little Rudolph nose, which is just great. So I love that, you know, we're really being festive this Christmas, you know, 24 videos, a nice little Rudolph nose to go along with it. So today is day 2, so day 2 is this one. Oh my god, these are so difficult to get out. I'm not even wearing nails. Got it. Getting day 2 out literally dented my finger, but day 2 is a soft matte metallic lip cream. If I give you a little swatchy swatch, it is this kind of beautiful rose golden colour. So I have no idea what kind of look would go with this kind of lip colour because I've never worn a metallic lip before. I was thinking maybe to do something more editorial based, but then I thought I'm just going to do like a really natural kind of smoky eye. And then I'm going to do this, and I'm thinking like rose gold blush from Sleek would look really nice, or I also have like a couple glitter things that I'm thinking of adding. So this one really is just, I'm going to do it and see how it turns out, and I'm not going to plan it out first. So this is going to be interesting. This could be a car crash day, but you know, who cares because my collection's coming out today. So I'm going to fill my brows in with a pencil today, and then I'm going to go over it with powder. Like I said, I'm going to try and mix up the products I'm using, otherwise it's going to get really repetitive. So this is the Rimmel Brow This Way Fibre Pencil in medium. So I'm just going to start by filling my brows in with this pencil. It's a really hard pencil, so it doesn't deposit loads of colour, but I don't know if you can see, it has like actual little fibres in the pencil that like goes onto your hairs, and it like makes it look fuller. Okay, so I've primed my lids with Decay Eden Primer Potion, and like I said I wouldn't do, I did actually go off camera and kind of figure out what I wanted to do because my battery died and I had to, you know, charge it, which is just great. So I've kind of come up with this kind of look. Unsure if I love it, unsure if I hate it, but I'm going to do it on the other eye and maybe lashes will fix it, you know. So I'm going to do a technique that I've actually not done in so long. I'm going to do 2 techniques. I'm not going to do my usual dark colour first and then light colour. I'm actually going to use a transition colour. But also I'm going to use some tape. So I'm just going to use basic tape. I'm sure you all have lots of this lying around at this time of year. I'm just going to like put it on my hand to get rid of some of the excess stickiness, just so it doesn't like rip your skin. And I'm going to line it up with my lower lash line and make sure they're both even. So I haven't set my primer, so I'm going to just go straight in with eyeshadows. And the palette I'm using today is this one by Revolution. It's the Iconic Vitality Reloaded palette. This is what it looks like. It's exactly the same as the Modern Renaissance. I have the Modern Renaissance, Modern Renaissance, however you want to call it. But I really like this one as well. I think it's really, really good. And I generally reach for this one more. I'm unsure why, but I generally reach for this one more, probably because I feel less bad using it because it's cheaper. But yeah, I'm going to go in with this shade here. They don't have names, I don't think. I'm going to go in with a Morphe M330, which is just like a tapered blending brush. And I'm going to start just putting this all into my crease as my transition colour. This feels so odd to do, honestly, because I'm so just not used to doing the lighter colours first. I'm so used to just going in with a dark colour and then blending it out. with lighter colours, but for a softer smoky look today I want to use a transition colour and do it this way again. Okay, so once I've got my transition down, as you can see, it's just a nice little canvas to blend onto. I'm going to go in with this shade here, and I'm just going to go in with a normal kind of like domed blending brush, and I'm going to start really like here on the outer corner where the tape and my outer corner meet. I'm just going to start going in really light circular motions just along the edge of this tape, just like that, and then I'm slowly just going to bring it inwards into the crease. I'm then going to go in with a slightly smaller blending brush just to be a bit more precise, and I'm going to go into this dark brown colour, and again I'm just going to do the same thing. Just start right near the lash line where the tape is and doing circular motions into my outer corner, just so that this bit's like the deepest. On my original transition brush, I'm just going to go in with this mustardy colour just to like warm up the edges a tiny bit. Then with a Morphe M503 brush, I'm going to go in with the black, and I'm going to start patting this even lower than before, just right on the lash line almost, and then bring it against the tape to create like a little wing. And then I'm literally just going to pat this. I'm going to flip the brush to the like cleaner side of the brush and just do little dragging down motions to blend this. When I did this on this eye first, I originally went in with the light pink in the palette, but it's just too frosty for like the look I'm going for. So I went into my Aloha Glitz palette and I went in with this shade. This is Peachy Beach by Aloha Glitz. I'm just going to take this on a MAC 242 brush, just dry, and I'm going to pack this on to the inner lid. I'm not going to like put down a base or cut my crease or anything. I just want it to be like a really nice wash all over the lid. So I'm going to take a Love Alpha Eye Colour Freeze in the shade 07. These are some of my favourite products I've ever come across. It's like a jelly glitter type thing. I came across these like a good few years ago, and I've been through like a good few pots of these, not gonna lie, in different colours, and I have like a little stand back there. You can't see it because it's not in focus, but I'm literally just going to take some onto a brush, like this kind of like really skinny fluffy brush. I'm just going to work it into the lid so I don't have like too much on my brush, and then I'm just going to like pat this and kind of lightly swipe it just over the pink, just to add a bit of glitter. It's kind of similar to the Stila Glitter and Glows, I think they're called, but these actually came out before those. And I'm just going to take this tape off, and as you can see we have a nice crisp line. So I'm going to use my NARS face palette because I never use this. I'm just going to use the bronzer. I literally never use this, and I don't even know why because I absolutely love it. So I've just done my lower lash line with all the browns I used on my crease. I'm just going to take a bit of rose gold blush from Sleek, just because this matches the lip colour really nicely. So that is the completed look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you thumbs up, make sure you subscribe. If you haven't watched yesterday's video, then obviously go and watch that as well. And yeah, stay tuned and I will be back tomorrow with a new look.